You aren't bullish enough. Welcome to the Go Big with Gib podcast, where we talk to professionals, business owners, and entrepreneurs about their big wins. Yo, what's good, big dreamers? Welcome back to this episode of Go Big with Gib. I'm your host, Gib Irons, here to cut through the noise and help you seize the moment. Buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of financial markets in May 2025, where fear, uncertainty, and opportunity are colliding. Let's go big. Right now, the markets are jittery. Trump's tariff policies are shaking things up. 25% on Canada and Mexico, 20% on Chinese goods, and threats of more to come. Businesses are freaking out, consumers are nervous, and the fear index is spiking to 2025 all-time highs. Economists are warning of inflation spikes and lower growth, with GDP data showing the economy's already shrinking. It's a storm out there, and most folks are running for cover. But here's the deal. Savvy investors don't hide, they thrive. While the headlines scream panic, the smart money's making moves. Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, they're soaring to all-time highs. Bitcoin just eclipsed 100,000, and the crypto EFTs market is buzzing. Why? Because tariffs and uncertainty push these folks to decentralized assets that dodge traditional market traps. The stock market's catching fire too. S&P 500 futures are climbing, small cap stocks are popping, and the sectors like energy and financials are loving the deregulation vibe. This is your moment, big dreamers. The market's rewarding the bold. Bitcoin's rally isn't slowing. Analysts see it as a hedge against tariff-driven inflation. Stocks are shaking off the gloom, with strategists like those at Morgan Stanley calling for a 10 to 15% rally by summer. You don't need to be a Wall Street wizard to see the pattern. Chaos breeds opportunity. Whether it's crypto, small caps, or gold, yes, gold's hitting $3,000 an ounce. There's money to be made. So are you bullish enough? Stop sitting on the sidelines paralyzed by fear and get in the game. Diversify into crypto and that high beta kick. Grab some undervalued stocks and ride this wave. Do your homework. Don't wait for the dust to settle, because by then the big gains are gone. The market doesn't reward the timid, it rewards those who go big. That's all for today, folks. Subscribe, share, and let's keep chasing this dream. This is Gib Irons signing off. Go big or go home. Thank you for listening to this episode of Go Big with Gib. If you haven't already, go follow us on social media at Gib Irons. We'll see you next time.